Alright. Another alert from a different day. God dang it. It's a flood warning for South Carolina.
The National Weather Service in Charleston has issued a flood warning for the Santee River near Jamestown from this afternoon until further notice. At 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Wednesday, the stage was 9.2 feet. Flood stage is 10.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage late this afternoon and continue rising to a crest of 13.1 feet early Saturday morning. Impact: at 12.0 feet, several dirt logging roads are impassable.